In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop an image using Paint.net. If you've got an image that needs just a bit of trimming or you want to focus on a specific area, this is the perfect tutorial for you. We will walk through each step so that by the end you will have a neatly cropped image ready for whatever use you have in mind. Let's get started by opening up Paint.net. You can do this by simply double-clicking the Paint.net icon on your desktop or searching for it in your applications list. Once the program is open, you'll need to load the image you want to work with. Click on File and then Open and select your desired image file to begin. Now that you have your image on the screen, you'll want to use the Rectangle Select tool, which is located in the toolbar on the left-hand side of the interface. The icon looks like a small dotted rectangle. Click on this tool and your cursor will change into a crosshair, allowing you to select a portion of your image. Carefully drag the cursor to encompass the area of the image you want to keep. This selection is entirely up to you. It can be as large or as small as you like, depending on what part of the image is important. As you drag, notice that a rectangle forms, showing you the specific section that's being selected. Once you've made your selection, you need to tell Paint.net that this is the area you want to keep. To do this, move your cursor to the top menu and click on Image. From the drop-down menu, select Crop to Selection. This action will immediately cut away everything outside your blue rectangle, leaving you with a neatly cropped image that focuses solely on your area of interest. And there you have it. Your image is cropped. It's as simple as that. Now, you can save your work by clicking File and then Save As, choosing a format that suits your needs, whether it be JPEG, PNG, or another. Consider renaming the file too, so you have both the original and edited versions for future use. Before we conclude, here are a few extra tips. Ensure your selection is just right before cropping, because once it's done, you can't revert unless you start over. Adjust the zoom level of your image if you need precision or are working with a particularly small area. Taking this little extra time can make a big difference in the accuracy of your crop. Thank you for watching this quick guide on cropping images in Paint.net. Our goal was to make it clear and straightforward so you can now confidently crop your images on your own. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and happy editing!